I'm Mark, a ceramic and digital artist and educator, and this is In the Round, my YouTube channel on the formal principles and technical methods of traditional figure sculpting in clay. Here you will find in-depth courses on sculptural technique covering both on-armature and hand-built approaches, videos on clay basics such as reclaiming dry clay, wedging, and making coils and slabs, and time-lapse sculpting demonstrations. These videos will focus on foundational basics, using clear, straightforward methods to lay out and articulate anatomical form. Although there are countless ways to render the figure, this systematic approach will provide a basic understanding of how the figure works, and a basis from which to pursue more advanced and more idiosyncratic techniques and stylizations. Figure sculptors often claim that learning to sculpt the figure will teach you to sculpt anything. Though this may be something of an overstatement, it's nevertheless true that the formal principles and technical methods I'll be covering here are widely transferable to other kinds of sculpting. So, if you're interested either in starting to learn the figure or in further developing your general sculpting skills, then please subscribe. I'll be updating often. And if you can, consider supporting this channel on Patreon.